Process hazard analysis, PHA. Process hazard analysis, PHA. Now, process hazard analysis is a systematic and comprehensive approach employed in various industries to identify, evaluate, and mitigate potential hazards associated with industrial processes. And the primary objective of process hazard analysis is to enhance safety, prevent accidents, and protect both human lives and the environment. By systematically analyzing processes, identifying potential risks, and implementing appropriate safeguards, organizations can create a safer working environment and reduce the likelihood of catastrophic incidents. Now, what is process hazard analysis? And what is the scope of process hazard analysis? Now, process hazard analysis refers to a set of methodologies and techniques aimed at identifying and managing potential risks within an industrial processes, as already discussed. Now, it involves a thorough examination of the entire process, including equipment, human factors, and external influences to identify potential hazards and assess their consequences. Next, regulatory compliance. Now, many industries, especially those dealing with chemicals, petrochemicals, and pharmaceuticals, are subject to strict regulations regarding safety and risk management. Now, process hazard analysis is often a mandatory requirement imposed by regulatory bodies to ensure that organizations adhere to safety standards and protocols. Methodologies and techniques in process safety or process hazard analysis. Now, there are various methodologies and techniques employed in process hazard analysis, each tailored to the specific needs of the industry and the complexity of the processes involved. Common methods include hazard and operability studies, HAZOP, failure modes and effects analysis, FMEA, what if analysis, and fault tree analysis, FTA. Now, these methods facilitate a structured and systematic examination of potential hazards. Key components of process hazard analysis. Key components of process hazard analysis. Now, the first of these components is identification of hazards. Second, risk assessment. Third, development of risk mitigation strategies. And then documentation and review. Now, identification of hazards. The first step in process hazard analysis involves identifying potential hazards within the process. And this involves examining equipment, materials, operating procedures, and external factors that may contribute to unsafe conditions. Examining equipment, materials, operating procedures, and external factors that may contribute to unsafe conditions. The next component is risk assessment. Now, once hazards are identified, the risk assessment is conducted to evaluate the severity and likelihood of each potential hazard. And this involves assigning a risk ranking or priority to each identified hazard based on the potential consequences and the probability of occurrence. Next is development of risk mitigation strategies. Now, following the risk assessment, organizations develop and implement strategies to mitigate the identified risks. And this may involve modifying equipment, improving operating procedures, enhancing training programs, or implementing industrial safety measures. Again, it may involve modifying equipment, improving operating procedures, enhancing training programs, or implementing additional safety measures. Last but not the least, documentation and review. A crucial aspect of process hazard analysis is documentation of the analysis process, findings, and mitigation strategies. Now, regular reviews and updates to the analysis are essential to account for changes in processes, equipment, or external factors that may affect safety. The benefits of process hazard analysis includes the following. First, enhanced safety culture. Second, prevention of accidents. Third, regulatory compliance. Last but not the least, improved operational efficiency. Now, enhanced safety culture. Enhanced safety culture. Implementing process hazard analysis fosters a strong safety culture within an organization. Employees become more aware of potential hazards and are actively involved in the identification and mitigation processes. Second, prevention of accidents. Process hazard analysis aims to identify and address potential hazards before they lead to accidents. Potential process hazard analysis aims to identify and address potential hazards before they lead to accidents. By proactively managing risks, organizations can prevent catastrophic incidents, safeguarding both personnel and assets. Next, regulatory compliance. Compliance with safety regulations is a critical aspect of process hazard analysis. Implementing effective hazard analysis not only ensures a safer work environment, but also helps organizations, companies meet regulatory requirements, thereby avoiding potential legal consequences. The last but not the least is improved operational efficiency. Improved operational efficiency. Now, through the identification and mitigation of potential hazards, organizations can improve their operational efficiency. Addressing safety concerns often leads to process improvements, reducing downtime and enhancing overall productivity. Now, process hazard analysis is a vital tool for industries where the potential for catastrophic incidents is high. By systematically evaluating and managing risks, organizations can create a safer work environment, comply with regulations, and ensure the well-being of both employees and the surrounding community. The ongoing commitment to process hazard analysis reflects a dedication to continuous improvement in safety practices and a proactive approach to preventing accidents.